mentor. I teach third grade math and science. And what I hope to achieve, and my goal really is to have a STEM fair, is to engage students in hands-on learning through critical thinking and problem solving by exploring science, technology, engineering, and math through creative projects.
Tell me what you did. You said you had four different liquids, right? And you wanted to see which liquid would melt. Okay, all right. And so which one did you think? What was your hypothesis? Which one did you think would melt the fast? You're saying that some might get smaller, some might get bigger, right? Okay.
Do you want to tell me about your project?
Sure. I say which juice would clean any mess. So the containers we have orange juice, lime juice, and lemon juice. So firstly, the problem is citric acid is in juices, and there's a bunch of it. It can damage your skin, your teeth, and much more. So to see which one has the most citric acid, we got a bowl, some juices, and some pennies. We put the coins in and poured the juices in separate bowls. Lemon juice has the most citric acid out of these three juices. So instead of like being grimy and stuff at the end, they'll mostly clean, with lemon juice being almost perfect.
Do you want to tell me about your project?
My question is, does the material of a parachute affect how fast it goes? So I started on my prediction. I said the weight of the material that a parachute is made of will be different, like affecting speed. So I have three different materials that a parachute is made of: plastic, nylon, and silk. So basically, I use my 18-speed vacuum and I measured how much tall and how long we were going down. And basically, I measured them up. I even got pictures of how a parachute or how somebody works, like a testing person that tested the thing. And then Leonardo da Vinci sketched the first known concept of a parachute in the 15th century. And the concept was put to the practical test in the late 18th century with the invention of 12 parachutes. The first one was around. So it's a round one. So every parachute is different in its own way, but the first ever one was round.